This is how our trucking life is. We often have to wait to be unloaded because we have so many trucks today. Maybe it won't be until tomorrow that I can be unloaded because the intermittent rain is also busy, and it is difficult for our load of cement. So we have to wait. The difficult thing is when the tent has a hole, because you have to backload the ones that are hard, because they can't be sold to the hardware. The damage change will be deducted from the income. And if there are many people who will lose weight on the flight, but it's difficult. They can handle it so that they can feed the family and children's education. This is how tracking works in the Philippines.
At siyempre dito tayo, duyan-duyan para hindi tayo kapagpahinga. Yan ang buhay namin.